Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. And in this video I'm going to cover a dynamic dependent select box using PHP, jQuery and Ajax. Okay, so that will be basically when you select country, then state will come, and when you select a state, then the city will come. So I have created three tables: uh, a country, state and city. So I have added the country, and based on the country ID, the state added, and based on the state, their city added. Okay, so I have also created the basic HTML skeleton, so our time will save. Okay, so here uh, I hope you guys already knows the HTML. So let's work on the Java, jQuery, Ajax and PHP. Okay, so for that I have created a Ajax data.php file and also the config file. In config file also I have established the connection. Okay, so their host, username, password and database, and we have created an object oriented web in Mysqli, new Mysqli host, username, password, and if the connection is established, then there's no error. Otherwise, there will be connection fail error. So okay, so let's go our index.php, and on the country, let's add a on change method, on change, and in on change, there fetch state. Okay, and in this we will send this dot value. Actually, in the country, anyone choose the country value, then their fetch state function will call, and in this the selected value will go on. Okay, so let's add script tag, and under script tag function fetch state, and under this the id will come, selected id will come. Okay, so we need to add the ajax function dollar dot ajax. Under this there will be type, and type will be post method, and url will be ajax data dot php, and we will send the data as the selected country id. In this we will send country underscore id, and this will be the id value, actually this id value. Okay, and after that we will check the success method, and in this success method we will get the return data value. Okay, we will assign the state value. Okay, so we'll bind the state dot html and data. Okay, so actually we will send the html data. Okay, in form of option. Okay, so and before that we can also clear this html select state. Okay, so each time when you click, that will clear the data which is already present, so that the new data will assign there. Okay, so dollar id state dot html, and that will be empty. So let's add some coding on the ajax data.php. There will start with php tag. Okay, and here first we need to include once config dot php. Okay, if dollar underscore post country id, then we will execute the code. Okay, so this query will be select star from state table. Okay, state table where the CID. Actually, this is the country ID. C underscore ID will be dollar post country ID. Okay. Then the result will be dollar DB query, and under this dollar query we will pass our variable. So we will check that in after executing the query there's data available or not. Okay, so if dollar result num rows is greater than 0, okay, then we will add our while condition, while dollar row will be uh, dollar result fetch underscore assoc. Okay, fetch assoc, and then we will echo the option option, close the option, and under this we will concatenate the state name and ID. Okay, dollar row state underscore name. Okay, and we will assign the value dollar row ID, and if there's no data, then we can add the else condition echo option no state. Okay, no state found, you can add as per your requirement. And also we can add option select state. Okay, and the value will be empty. Okay, and before that we need to show the country list also. Okay, so in this there PHP, and let's copy this one. Okay, also we need to include the config file. Okay, to save the time I'm just copy pasting this one. Okay, select start from country, and here we don't need to add any where condition. We can add the order by clause, order by country underscore name. Okay, and in this we can also add this one as well. Under this select we need to add slice first PHP here, start PHP, and close the PHP tag. Okay, so if result having some data, then option we don't need this one, and then we can add the result faces of here country name and ID will be same. Okay, so let's check on the the just hit refresh, and if you click on the country, then you can see the country list is showing based on the country name, ordered by country name. Okay, so if you inspect, then you can see their uh, value is also coming and name is also showing. So let's work on the fetch state. Okay, so if you want to check this ID is coming or not, you can alert, and here add return false. So this will just say select yes, this ID is coming 3. Okay, so we will post the data from here. Also you can add one more thing, city On the city you can add option select city. Actually when you change, actually data is not coming right now. So let's check that our data is coming or not. So when you just refresh once again and select country, let's select India, and in state you can see that Delhi and Maharashtra is showing. So let's just inspect element, and here you can see the value is also showing and data is also coming. So based on the country we have faced the um, state, and let's work on the city. Okay, just copy, let me copy paste on this and just add page city. Okay, and based on this the selected value will get. Okay, we can page uh, function. Okay, let me copy paste this one also, so this will save the time. I don't want the video will become long. Face city. Okay, so just remove this one, and here this one will be empty. Okay, and on the Ajax data there we will send the state ID. Okay, state ID, and on the city we will assign the get data. Okay, and if there's we can add the else if condition here. Else if $post state ID. Okay, state ID, then this code will execute. Okay, so let me copy paste this one also. Okay, so we will need to modify some query like select star from city, where SID, here I have given the ID SID state ID. SID will be the $_post state ID. Okay, and here we will give the city, and here city name. Okay, no city found. Okay, I think everything's looking okay. So just check that the code is working. This it yes, select country Australia, select state South Australia, and select city. Yes, Adelaide is coming. Yeah, our work code is working, but there I think there's problem of country ID on line number 4. Line number 4, we can add some more conditions like if is set $post this one, and else if is set dollar let's hit select India, Delhi is Delhi coming. So you can see there no error now, and our 3 drop down is working fine now. So I hope you like the video and the way I have did that. Thank you so much, and if you have any issue you can just hit the comment, and if you really like the video then please subscribe my channel and share the video. Thank you.